Hi, hola, buenos dias. Of course, today, Spanish words that have influenced the English language. And of course, it's not surprising since that America, the North, is bordered entirely by Spanish-speaking countries. So a lot of the words have crept over the border. As well, you also have Spain, which has influenced the English language highly over the last couple of hundred years. Now, the first word we're going to talk about is patio. A patio is like an interior courtyard that is opened. You can go, for example, and have dinner in the patio, or have some drinks on the patio. All right? The next one, plaza, or plaza as we say in English. Of course, it's exactly as it sounds and exactly the same meaning. It is a huge square, pedestrianized, where people can hang out. So you have, for example, Rockefeller Plaza in New York City is a good example. Next one, super simple, a nap. What is it in English? We say a siesta, also taken from Spanish. A siesta, of course, is a small, short nap you take more or less in the afternoons when it's a very hot day to recharge your batteries. Then we have macho. Whoa, one of my favorites because I'm definitely not a macho man. Macho has this kind of negative connotation to it, okay? It means like exaggerated masculinity. All right, and the last one is an unusual one. It's pecadillo. It's spelled with two C's in English, and pecadillo obviously means like a small sin, a small moral sin. You're not going to be punished for it, but you're definitely going to feel bad. So, as Arnold Schwarzenegger once said, hasta la vista, baby.